Some women leak breast milk and some women don't. It really just depends on the individual. But it can be very useful to have some breast pads. Breast pads can be very useful to just absorb any leakage which occurs and also maintain your own discretion. Disposable breast pads are great because they tend to be just sort of used once, keep them in your bag, throw them away. So they can be very useful. And other mothers, for all sorts of reasons, perhaps they're more environmentally aware, like the washable ones. You'd be right in thinking that the most important equipment that you need for breastfeeding is your breasts, but it can be useful to think about getting a breast pump as well. So have a look at the ranges that are available during your pregnancy. If you're away from your baby for any period of time, you're having a break from breastfeeding, you need to express your milk, it can be very useful to have a breast pump. If time is an issue at work and you're only given short breaks, you might find that using a double breast pump rather than a single one is just more efficient and more practical in terms of time. There's a range of breast pumps which are available. Some are portable, some are electric, some are battery operated. Have a look what's available and what's right for you. In the ideal world, you won't be separated from your baby for any period of time, and so that you'll be near them for whatever feeds that they demand. But in reality, there's likely to be times where you will be separated, even if it's only for a couple of hours, or if you organise another caregiver to look after your baby, if you're returning to work. Any of these scenarios can mean that you are not physically present all the time to breastfeed your baby, in which case a breast pump can be very useful to express your milk so that your baby can still have the next best thing. Returning to work does not automatically mean that you need to stop breastfeeding your baby, and in fact Australian law protects breastfeeding mothers and their babies, and workplaces are obliged and legislated to support safe, clean, efficient places where mothers can express. Many mothers return to work and continue breastfeeding, so they may, for example, breastfeed their baby in the morning before they leave for work and again at night when they're reunited, and in between times mothers express their breast milk at work. Storing breast milk and building up a bank of breast milk is possible. You just need to be a little bit organised. Expressing after feeds and in between feeds, and also if you're having a letdown in between feeds, so collecting that milk that would otherwise just leak into your bra or your breast pad, collect that milk. The other issue, of course, is to maintain your own warmth and comfort. So breastfeeding is obviously about exposure, and however you want to position your baby and attach is absolutely fine, but having your back exposed to the air can really create discomfort.